Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Charmofan camping shower with 8,000 milliampere hour portable pump system. This is a camping shower with battery operation and a pump system. It can pump water from one area to another if you like it. Or, of course, you can use it as a shower, or you can use it as a fountain or something else. This outdoor mobile shower set with a filter and a shower head and a 10-speed gear shift is for hiking, for garden, for traveling, for the beach, for pet cleaning, for car wash, and so on possible to use. Very cool. Because we can enjoy the freedom of a camping shower with a powerful 8,000 mAh battery. This shower pump allows us up to 200 minutes of operation time. Thanks to the Type-C connection, the camping shower can be flexible charged in cars with a power bank or of course with a socket like your smartphone AC adapter. The low noise design and the efficient motor ensures an even water pressure. This is suited for camping and for outdoor adventures or motorhomes. This mobile shower offers a full control of the water flow. With 10 adjustable levels, we can regulate the flow from 3 liters per minute, about 3.5 hours working time, up to 6 liters per minute. This is 1.5 hours of working time. It's needed for showering, for bed care, for washing dishes, or for car washing. This outdoor camping shower is the perfect solution for those who appreciate comfort on the go, babe. The high-quality shower head with the filter offers 4 different types of jet, rain, spray jet, mix, and pulse, which can be easily switched at the push of the button. The replaceable filter cartridge is reliable and removes the dirt and the sediments, so you can always enjoy clean water. In addition, the massage function provides a flexible scalp or body massage. This is a touch of luxury, whether the outdoor or at home. Thanks to the smart digital display, we always keep an eye on the water temperature. The real-time temperature displays with a color-coded light-emitted diode. This light shows us the current status in green, for example. That means 35 up to 45 degrees Celsius. Blue, lower than 35 degrees Celsius. And red, over the 45 degrees Celsius. We should take note that this camp shower has not heating function. The water must be heated externally before use. The outdoor camping shower is easy peasy to install. No complicated construction is necessary. The waterproof cap protects the connections, while the suction cap on the bottom keeps the pump stable in the water tank. The 3-in-1 hook allows the flexible attachment to branches, car, windows, or walls. The set contains everything we need to camping shower with the pump. The shower head, spray, the head, the filter, shower pump, 2 meters of hose, hooks, suction caps, USB-C cable, and a storage bag. That's perfect for any adventure, and that's an adventure of cleaning. Charmofan. They are not only a brand that designs and develops high-quality children's toys and household goods, but also a partner for the children on their journey of growth. They at Charmofan believes that every child deserves a childhood full of discovered and infinite possibilities. They are committed to illuminating the world with the creativity and quality, so that every childhood shines in a unique light. And that's a cool thing because this shower here is nice for kids too. We have all what we need. We have the silicone rings, the power shower pump, filter, a filterable shower head, 2 meters of hose, a spray head, and a 3-in-1 hook system, and of course sponges included, storage bag, suction cap, and Type-C charging cable. we have it easy. The first thing is, of course, we go to cover the charging port tightly. Then we confirm that the O-ring is inserted and connected the shower head to the hose. Then we first insert the pipe into the hole, then tighten the plastic thread to the pump. Then we're going to immerse the pump into water and make sure the air bubble in the main engine is completely expelled. Then we hold the switch on the battery pack for over 3 seconds to start the pump. And we press the shower switch and adjust the volume of the water. We need to use the charger, which parameters within 5 volt to ampere, to charge the main machine, or use the mobile charger. And of course, we can make it the voltage with 7.4 voltage, so that's good because that is not harmful. The capacity is 2000 milliampere hour, 29.6 watt hour. The charging time is 3 up to 4 hours, depending on the power source, of course. The charging method is any USB output device of 5 volt to ampere. The working time is 60 up to 180 minutes. This depends on the gear, of course. The waterproof level is IPX8. The water flow rate is 5 up to 12 liters per minute, and the water outlet diameter is 10 millimeter. So you can see that's a really cool thing to pump water from A to B. Or, of course, you can use it to clean your car, your pad, and have a good camping shower. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done soon.